Hello friends, welcome to bisptrainings.com. My name is Sumit and I'm a subject matter expert in Qlikview and I have been working in Qlikview since long time. Recently, I got a requirement from my client that he want to present the sales percentage data using Doughnut chart in Qlikview. Now the issue is in Qlikview we don't have a Doughnut chart for a separate chart for same in Qlikview. So let me show you that what kind of charts do we have available. So for example, I right click new sheet object chart, and if you look at charts, we have line chart, we have bar, we have line, we have combo and so on, but we don't have donut chart available. So I must be wondering that you might be sometimes also facing the same issues. So that's why I decided to share that how I was able to achieve same. So as you can look here, that's a donut chart I have created in Qlikview by using sales dataset. So let's start implementing same. Let's start building a donut chart in Qlikview by using a dataset. So let me delete this one. Let me remove this one first of all, and I'm going to start from the scratch. So first of all, I'm going to load the data which I have already loaded. So I'm using a dataset, a sales dataset that's already added here. So I reload the data, and once the data gets loaded, you see there are 8,390 lines are fetched successfully. That's an inline data set, so don't worry about it. So that's a separate data set. So that's the data which we will be going to use. So as I've told you, the requirement is to build a donut chart. So let's see the steps to create a donut chart. Right click, new sheet object, chart, and select gauge chart here. Next, no dimension for gauge. Next, and here I give is the sum of sales and okay. If I click on finish right now, you can see that's a chart. That's a gauge. It's obviously it's more than 100, so that's why it's going something like this. So don't worry about this. We'll be going to customize it now. So let's do the customization step by step. So for showing customization, let me move this side, right click properties. So the very first customization I'm doing is I get to the presentation, and in presentation I uncheck. First of all, I'm going to remove this needle. So I say fill to value, and as soon as I click fill to value and click apply, you see the needle has been removed. Then I don't want to show the scales in the sense the scales which you can see here, these are the scales. I don't want to show them. I want to remove the scales. So I click on, I uncheck this option, so it shows scales, and the scales will be removed. Then as you can see, the donut chart is a complete chart. So angle span is 270. I change it to 360 degree, and it will create a complete donut chart. I'll get to style, and in style I select, it's a 3D one, so I select the default one, a look. I set this look as this one and click on apply. Let's make some more modifications. So I again get back to the presentation, and the lower bound is 0.0, and I set the color as green, dark green. So I want 0, 255 and 0. That's a light color. That's a light color. So I set 128. It's a dark green color, or you can select, you can choose from here as well. Okay, okay, apply. And the rest, the second segment, I want in different color. Let's say in light gray color or dark gray color. I'll choose light gray color. Okay, apply. It's done now. So we have set the segments both for segment 1 and segment 2. I set the colors, but my requirement is I would like to specify the conditions for the boundaries. So based on that, it will give me, I would like to show the percentage of total sale. what's the percentage from the total sale in a specific region has been done or in a specific year has been done. So I click on lower bound, select segment 2, and we are going to set the lower bound. So as you can see here, I'm not able to customize these segments. The segments are fixed. That is one, that is segment 2 is 0.5. I would like to customize it. So for customization, first of all, I uncheck the hide segment boundaries. I hide segment boundaries and hide gauge outlines. So see, the outlines has been done. And now I would like to set the boundaries. So uncheck this auto weight segments, then only you will be able to do the customization. So now I'm able to do the customization. So I select segment 2 and click on lower bound and remove the existing value. And then I write the value here is the expression is equal to of sum of sales and this will be for a specific year. I want for a specific year, so I use set analysis here. Year is equal to 2012, and because I want to calculate the average, I would like to find out the percentage. So that therefore I divide it by sum of sales and okay, apply. So you can see we have got that's the total sale which has been done in the year 2012 out of the total sale from the year in the current year. But I would like to do more customization. I want to add a text in the chart. So I select segment 2, I copy the expression so that we do not need to write it again. Click on text in chart. This will help us to add the values in the text. Add, and I say is equal to num sum of sales, comma, in a format, so 0.00%, and expression is okay. So it will present the value in percent with 2 decimal precisions. Okay. And we'll do more customization. Font, I set the font as bold 14. Okay. And font color as well. Font color is here. So I select font color as red. So it will look little attractive. Okay. And apply. And the very first thing, I'm going to uncheck the caption. So sum of sales, and also I don't want to show title in chart. So I uncheck title in chart. Okay. And now I press Control Shift and drag and drop the text or the value in the middle of the chart. So if you want to add a label, we can add a label over there. In total sales, we can add a label. Right click properties, and in expression we can add a label. Sale percentage for year 2012. Apply. Okay. We need to show the caption. So I copy this and we need to display the caption. Sale percent for year 2012. And check shoot. So that's how we can create a donut chart in Qlikview. Similar way, we can create a donut chart for all the consecutive years, for all the 3-4 years, and then we can create multiple donut charts in the same worksheet. So that's how to create a donut chart in Qlikview. I hope you found this video interesting. If you like so, please subscribe our YouTube channel and please hit like button. If you have any queries, you can write to us on www.bisptrainings.com. You can connect with us for the customized training on Qlikview. Keep watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.